Yeah, what's going on, everyone? So I had a catastrophic fail with a Leatherman product. It's not really catastrophic, but it's the first fail that I've ever had with Leatherman. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and actually go through the whole warranty process with Leatherman. I've heard it's very good. I went through warranty with Gerber with my Gerber dime, which is not the strongest tool in the world. And then I went through warranty with Nightcore. I had I want to say it was my P11, I think. Just absolutely stopped working. Just completely, nothing could get it to work. So I went through those two companies, and now it's time for Leatherman. If you can see down in there, I don't know where it went. Alright, I'll show you. Like I said, not a huge deal. It just broke on me. And being what it is that broke, I can't really see them having a very good argument that it's misuse. It's the spring bar for the scissors. As you can see down there, it used to attach right like that, and then that was your spring tension. Obviously it was more curved, and that would be the spring tension for the scissors. Scissors are still completely usable. I just want to see what they're going to do, what they're going to say. I imagine, just by how Leatherman is in general, that I should have no problem, but what I was going to do with it is, if you saw my EDC update, I carry the Leatherman rebar with the style CS for scissors, because the rebar doesn't have scissors. And I broke it out, and I was going to maybe see if it fits down in there, because it's not much weight, it's not a whole lot of real estate. So I was going to maybe see if that could fit in there. And while I had it out, I just wanted to, I think I broke the scissors out to, literally broke them out to like trim a hangnail or something. And upon using them, that is what happened. So I will keep you guys posted. Sorry with this, it's like 60 degrees and then like 16 degrees like the next day here in Pennsylvania. So I have like a little bit of a upper respiratory thing going on. I had it a few months ago when it was hot, cold, hot, cold. Now I have it again. So apologize for that, but stay tuned for what happens with the Leatherman squirt. Today is February 13th. So, well, that's the time I'm filming this. I don't know what day I'm going to post it. It might end up being like the 15th when I post this, but let's see how it goes. Gerber and Nightcore were pretty decent, but I've heard good things about Leatherman with their 25-year lifetime, whatever, warranty they carry. But anyway, guys, that's it. Nothing big or major. Just wanted to let you know that this will be in the future. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.